Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and everybody who's watching this video, I want all of you guys to go and report Ducking Newbie 1. Well, as you guys saw from the title of this video, I did get scripted out of my Tang Tang. I was DMing with this guy on Discord. He was a fan of my YouTube channel, and he really wanted to PvP me. He showed me he didn't have scripts and everything, and then I saw he was on mobile when he was actually on a PC. And that's when I knew that he was a scripter. So stay tuned for this video. It's a pretty sad video. And if you enjoy long-term content, make sure to comment and subscribe. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. Here's the video footage. This was another thing is that this was a pretty sad moment for me, so I'm going to play some background music that sounds sad. So, yeah.